Welcome to Seewalk. Today we are in Veszprem at one of Hungary's most unusual attractions, the Dinosaur Park. This place takes you back millions of years. Here, life-size models of dinosaurs stand among the trees. Some are as tall as houses, others small and quick, like they once were in nature. Did you know that many of the dinosaurs here are based on real fossils found in Hungary? In the Bakony Hills, not far from Veszprem, paleontologists discovered bones of ancient reptiles that lived here more than 80 million years ago. The park is also interactive. You can hear roars, see moving figures, and even walk through a prehistoric jungle setting. It's designed to feel like a real journey into the past, not just a museum display. And there's one more detail. Children often love the excavation area, where they can dig and find hidden fossils just like real scientists. So join me on this walk as we explore the paths of Veszprem's Dinosaur Park and meet the giants of the past.
Tudod, ilyen robotokat csinálnának, de mozognának, tudod?
Neked ilyenre is vágyok. Igen. Vágyok. Most csak a
Nézd, ott is van.
Ezek szeretik az ember.
Hát igen.
Nézd a mókus, meg ott szalad.
Jaj, ott a mókus a panna.